So export all of your FOC meshes that you want to use and put them into a folder. I like to have an individual mod project folder and then a folder inside that has all the original game assets. And you want to import the wheel, the legs, head, chest, and the right side, because we're later going to mirror the arms anyway, so you don't need the left arms. Alright, so we're going to want to delete all of these empty objects, the little boomerangs. Then we're going to want to delete all of these armatures except for one. And take all of these meshes and parent it to the armature with Control P. And if you zoom out, it'll be occluded because it's too big. So we can go in the side panel, go to View, change the clip start to 1, and the end to something very high. And we're good. And now if you go to the armature in pose mode, try to move stuff around. If you did it right, you should be able to move all of the pieces. Then we can get started on the alt mode part. So go to the alt mode piece that you imported, change the scale back up to 1. Go to the constraints tab, add a child of constraint, set the armature as the target, and then for the bone, we'll go in UPK Explorer and look at the socket. So we'll see cap R here is to this bone, so we can paste it in. Then we can get started on the transforms. So you can just directly copy the X and Z coordinates. But for Y, you want to invert it. So if it's a positive number, you want to make it negative. If it's a negative number, you want to make it positive. Let's also do the scale while we're at it. 0.7 and 0.85. And then we'll do rotation, which is a little bit more tricky. So I have this little cheat sheet here for it. So for X, you want to set it to the roll. For Y, you want to take the pitch and invert it. And for Z, you want to take the yaw and invert it. And now you have this socket done. Do the same for all the other sockets. And once you've added the socket pieces, you can start to join them with the main mesh. So click on it and then shift click the mesh and do Control J. Do that to all of them. Now once you're done with that, there's one final check you want to do. You want to go on the top right to these two circles and enable face orientation view. And some of the pieces might appear red, which is due to the way that we applied their scale to mirror them. It basically just means that they're inverted because we applied negative scale. So you can click on it, go in edit mode, and you want to select it. Now for wheels and stuff, you can just click on it and press L, and that'll select the whole thing. And once you have it all selected, you go to the top left, go to Mesh, Normals, Flip. And that should make the red go away. And just check, make sure there's no red anywhere on the mesh. And now you're done with this part, so let's save the blend file in the mod project folder. And you can move on to part 2.